Hello, Mommy. Hello to our dear audiences. Oh, have you seen my daddy? You know that I really love my daddy a lot, right? Oh, don't even mention my mommy. I don't think mommy likes me very much. It must be hard to love an adopted child as much as your own. By the way, I bet you all know who I am. My name is Esther. I'm a violent and deluded psychopath. I guess I was able to fool all of you, right? Actually, I'm a grown woman. I'm just suffering from a disorder that causes me to be proportionally dwarf. However, don't underestimate me. I can kill you all whenever I want. Just like what I did to my first family last July 24, 2009. Now, being in Coleman's household, I have found another man who can actually give me what I want. My new daddy. And by the way, the movie prequel of my story was released this year, last July 27. That's why I'm part of this grand meeting premiere with the horror or thrill icons of 2022. If you're curious, go watch it then. Be prepared and ready to get fooled, just like the Albert household. Who is my first kill? Trisha has already tried killing me, but she failed. If you want to test me, then try it then. That is, if you want to end up. Indeed, a lot of interesting things are happening here and inside the household. So I guess if you're curious, come and see me. Shh! Don't worry, we're not going to kill. We're just going to play. But remember, if you see a mean lady looking for me, she's come to take me away. Will you help me?
What are you, darling? Where's your costume?
This is my costume. I'm a homicidal maniac. They look just like everybody else. And by the way, this day is becoming most wonderfully disruptive. How I wish something would lighten up this already tedious day. Oh wait, do I have to introduce myself? Oh, fine. I am Wednesday Friday Adams. I am part of the Adams family, and I am the oldest daughter of Gomez and Morticia Adams. I am fascinated with death, explicitly disturbing and horrifying involvement with or depiction of death and injury. I have a brother named Pugsley, and I love to torture him and my family. I also adore the taste of darkness. I hate everything except murder and suffering. Just to be clear, I am not in a bad mood. This is just me. On the other hand, I am included in this grand meeting premiere for the horror or thrill icons of 2022 because this coming November 23, 2022, my very own TV series will be released on Netflix. And I know numerous people worldwide, especially those who witnessed my family and me in comics, cartoons, and live actions in the past, are very excited to see me again. with a new series. Be afraid. Be very afraid. Don't worry, we'll see each other soon. We'll have so much fun, electrocuting and burning everyone. I am unhappy to see you again.
Hello, I'm Wednesday Addams. The faceless suits at Netflix have explained to me you are all competing for a golden statuette. Apparently, you believe it will give you validation and fill that lonely void inside of you. Spoiler alert, it won't. So I suggest you do what I do. Embrace the emptiness. Wrap it around you like a cold, wet blanket. And if you still need a pat on the back, I know a disembodied hand that can help you out.
Hi Dodo. Hello Dodo. Hello Dodo. This is my new camera. Oh hi. I didn't notice you there. I'm Rolin. I'm the main character of the movie, Incantation. I am actually here for my daughter, Dodo. The reason why I am involved in this grand meeting premiere for the horror or thrill icons of 2022 is that Incantation was released by Netflix last March 18, 2022. It is about myself, who struggles to save my daughter from a curse I was at fault 6 years ago. My friends and I broke a religious taboo and disrupted a powerful and eerie shrine in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Throughout the movie, I encouraged the audience to chant. This incantation will help stop the curse of Dodo, my daughter, as if it was a blessing. But the incantation is not a blessing. It is a curse of sharing. It means I wish to share in this curse and offer up my name. You are now with me as I face the disturbed deity, Dahi Mother Buddha.
I know you are all curious why we are here gathered together in this virtual meeting. Are you shocked and astonished by our ultimate crossover? Well, you must be. We are gathered today to discuss our evil and atrocious plans for this upcoming Halloween.
We're not going to reveal our plans, of course. It's our secret. But we heard there's a Halloween contest tonight organized by the admins of the real Luvies. We're up for the thrills.
Please, let us win.
You heard her right. This is to all of the judges of this contest. I bet the admins are the ones to judge. So, listen very carefully. Let us win. Let us be the champions of this contest. Or else, as the usual meme you see in social media, most likely on Facebook, will show up at your house or in your room instead. And what will happen?
They'll kill you. They'll murder you all. All of you who's watching. Not just the judges or the admins, but all people who are watching right now.
Very well said. I'm highly anticipating our meetup soon. Our agenda will depend on the result of this contest. If we are the winners, we'll absolutely have so much fun. But if we're not,
You know,
what will?
Happen next.